Welcome back, gang, and if you are new, welcome to the channel. This is a update on almost daily dividend pie. So if you have followed my channel previously, I am doing a challenge going from 0 to £100,000 using the almost daily dividend pie. So I'm going to do a quick overview on here. So you head over to this first. I got auto invest turned on, so all the dividends I earn, it gets dripped back into the pie. And as you can see there, my goal is 100k. I'm currently sat at 8%, so nowhere there. If I kept investing what I would invest, I would have a total of 8k in this account, but it's a bit off. This is because I am investing the money I earn from social media, so it's not a weekly investment. I'm not using my own money. I'm pretty much doing it as a challenge and only using the money I earn from these videos. So please hit that like button. Also subscribe to this channel. We are on the road to 100,000 subscribers. We've just passed the 500 mark, so please hit that subscribe button. But let's get into it. So almost daily dividend pie. It's pretty much a pie on trading 2-on-2. It is a total of 50 companies, and pretty much it's called almost daily dividends because you don't get paid dividends every day, but over the year, the dividends paid out basically totals up to almost daily, pretty much. I think it's like 350 dividend payments or something like that a year in total. So it's pretty much almost a daily dividend pie. That's why, hence the name. So yeah, I currently got £1,000 in the pie at the moment. I've got £30 in cash waiting to get invested. Unfortunately, with this, you got to have a minimum of £50. So pretty much, because there's 50 companies in the pie, you got to have at least £1 in each company to invest. So that £30, I think I earned £28 from TikTok. So that went into this pie. And obviously I've got cash here waiting to get invested. So that's where that £30 is currently sat at. So I need to get another £20 from social media or dividends on here until that gets reinvested. But you can see here the total so far I've gained is £4.30. It's the end of April, so I've earned that in the last 3 months. So, but the pie is currently down just under 2%, so down £20 in that. So just to give you an idea what companies is in the pie, I'll show you here. So we've got Apple, currently up 10% with Apple. Reality Income, they're down. Johnson & Johnson, they're down. PepsiCo, they're up 8%. AT&T, they're down 12%. Procter & Gamble, they're up 6%. McDonald's is up 5%. Caterpillar, they're down 12%. So just to give you an idea of what companies, there's some good companies here that pay out some good dividends. But as you can see here, there's a lot of them in red at the moment. We got a nice little green streak here. So Walmart, 3%. Kimberly & Clark is up 9%. 10% there. Main Street Capital, they're down. Starbucks is down. And then Ecolab is up 8%. Stag is up. AGNC Investment, they're down 13%. Electronic, 7%, we're up. So yeah, a lot of red and a couple of green. Last month it was the opposite. I think we were in the green last month, but this is a long-term thing, so I'm not too fussed. And as you can see here, it's like £20 invested in all the companies going forward, pretty much. So there are the 50 companies that are involved in the pie. That's pretty much it for this at the moment. Just to give you a update on the challenge, what the pie is sat at. If you are interested in joining the pie, then I will share this link in the description below, so you can jump over and start investing and basically follow me along on the journey. But again, thanks for watching. Please hit that like button. If you want to stay up to date with the Almost Daily Dividend Pie, then I'll be doing one of these every month now. Some people's been doing it weekly. I just thought monthly would be a little bit better because I have got the other ones I do also monthly, so I just don't want to overdo it with videos for you guys. But these are my main investments, and I got the Almost Daily Dividend Pie as a challenge on the side. But again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.